In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a closing date in QuickBooks Online. This simple yet crucial task helps lock your financial data up to a certain date, ensuring that your records remain consistent and preventing accidental changes once your books are closed. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, navigate to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard where you'll find the gear icon. This icon is quite handy, serving as a gateway to many of your account settings and customization options. Give it a click to open up the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to select Account Settings from the list of options. This is your central hub for configuring various aspects of your QuickBooks account, from company details to advanced settings. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel where you'll spot several different tabs. You'll want to find and click on the Advanced tab, as this is where we need to go to set up the closing date for your books. Under the Advanced tab, scroll until you land on the Accounting section. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Close the Books, but it's initially grayed out. Don't worry, this is completely normal. To activate it, simply click on the pencil icon to edit this section. A few more options will now become visible. You should now see a checkbox labeled Close the Books. Check this box and you'll immediately notice that a date field appears. This field is where you'll specify the closing date for your financial records. Carefully select the date up to which you wish to close your books. It's usually the end of a fiscal period, such as a quarter or year, but it's ultimately up to your specific accounting needs. Once you've entered your desired closing date, the last important step is to click the Save button. This ensures that your changes are recorded and that your books are officially closed up to your selected date. A confirmation message should pop up, indicating that your settings have been updated, and just like that, you're all set. By setting a closing date, QuickBooks will now trigger a warning message if any changes are attempted on transactions dated before your set closing date. This warning feature is incredibly useful, acting as a safeguard to maintain the integrity of your closed financial periods, ensuring that nothing is accidentally altered without your knowledge. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Setting a closing date is a small, yet powerful step in managing your finances efficiently. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks, and as always, feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.